Deputy Commissioner ke West Giant Hills Abhinav Kumar Singh hakat sengi sejan ulah keren halor ke jing sokhya ke menangjur halor ke jing bom yok room kelas hap dengki samla ki badang syupas ya ke exam SSLC ban yok beteng ya ki jing pulih bakham shalor jongki ha ki jaka pulih hapok ke district bat penti kena ba ke jing terwa ban sedang no ya ke classmate evening batch session kaladon ha ke jing bishar benya. Nila dep ban thok syaka directorate ban panjing bit ban sedang no ya ke classmate. Kat kum ka kai phot balayok pediang na ka seng ki samla puli la ong ba kidang don sa kumbashis pa arpusa ngut ki samla ki bompat yok ban rung kelas. La dayok ka jing menjur ka ni ka classmate kan la ban pediang hadu ars pa ngut ki samla puli pentip udisi. Kani ka jing long jing man kalawan long hadin ka sinjam bala shim ha ka lai potorik jemang ha ka ba ka seng Jantia Students Union JSU kala pensangi no shipor ya ka jingyakhi hadin bakalayo pediang ya ka jubab ka basngotenat na ka District School Education Officer DSEO ka kong APSE. Na ka liang ka seng JSU kala ong bahadu jan kumba ars pa angut ki samla ki bapas ya ka SSLC kim shimlayo lat ban beteng ya ki jingpule jongki hakino kino ki Government Higher Secondary School hapo jawai. Nalor kani ke DSEO kala terwada ke batikna hakmat udisi na kebentaban pli ya ke classmate hapok kiang nang ba Government Higher Secondary School. Kani ke jing terwa ke kentup ru halor ke jing tung ya ki Assistant Lecturers Arts bat ki nong trei bom day hakakam hikai harengkat ke jing itu ya ki jakat ho exam ban penyat ya ki board exams ki ban sawan hapok kani ke jing penkela ke bertemai. Maria yo ya ke jing pentikna na ka Directorate on penyat syakmat ya ka plan ban pentikna ba on don iwei ru na kini ki samla ki ban sya ino syadien benrap udisi. Karbana keliang ke JSU kala pediang sobha ya kini ke sinjam. Henry kala maham ba kini ke jing pensange ya ke jing yakhi jongki kalong shipor bat ka syong ha ke jing pentri kam jong ka sorkar ha ka por ke babiang ya ke jing tubu ban pentri kam ya kini ke jing terwa ban plino mardor ya ka classmate na ke benta kini ki samla pulih.
With regard to class admission students, yesterday also we have written down to the director for creating an evening shift. I will just tell you one second. Yeah, in Khynnah Government Higher Secondary School, we have mentioned to the Commissioner and Secretary and the Director for creating an evening shift for the students. So as of now, what has been reported by one of the student unions with regard to the number of students who have not been admitted. It is around 124, right? So by creation of evening shift, we would be able to cater around 200 students. So we are waiting for the confirmation. The moment we get the confirmation with regard to this, all the students will be easily enrolled.